Hey folks, we're back at it again, and today we have an important video. Today we're going to be talking about C3 AI, a very important and underrated, often overlooked stock. We're going to get into what it is, context about the stock, why it has lots of potential for upside, price targets, as well as new information we got from recent activity. So first off, what is C3 AI? C3 AI Inc., or often just C3 AI, is a US company that builds enterprise-grade artificial intelligence software, big player in the AI industry, or could be soon. Rather than making consumer-facing chatbots, C3 AI provides a platform and a broad suite of pre-built AI applications aimed at heavy industry, energy, supply chain, finance, healthcare, government, and other large organizations. On the stock side, we have ticker AI, kind of an interesting ticker. We never really see it just say AI, but C3 AI has seen volatile performance. Its share price is now far below its the highs reached around its 2020 IPO, but it is still very important, and we're going to get into why. It remains unprofitable, but continues investing heavily in product development and partnerships. Hasn't died out yet, and has a lot of upside potential, especially given its role in the AI space. And why is this? So, folks, in the broader AI world, C3 AI is important because it aims to be a plumbing layer for enterprise AI. Its agentic AI platform, as well as generative AI tools, allow enterprises to embed intelligence directly into workflows. For example, predictive maintenance, supply chain forecasting, energy optimization, fraud detection, etc. All very important things. And that makes it part of the wave trying to bring AI beyond flashy demos and into core industrial and organizational use. So we're going to go over some new information we have, context about its quarter, etc. So C3AI's quarter showcased strong momentum in government contracts and early customer uptake of its expanded AI product suite, even as the company continues to work towards profitability. So we have four reasons why C3AI could be an incredible play. Number one, federal pipeline drives growth. So the government and defense demand has become a major growth vector for C3AI. Federal sector bookings, as we can see right now, nearly doubled year over year, accounting for almost half of total deal value as U.S. agencies from Health and Human Services to Department of Defense accelerated adoption of C3AI's solutions to modern operations or to modernize operations. This robust public sector pipeline helped offset softer commercial demand in certain industries. So still could be very good. Still is very good. Number two, AI Suite is gaining traction. The company's portfolio of AI applications, including its newly launched generative AI offerings and the C3 AI Suite for enterprises, showed early traction. C3AI closed multiple high value deals this quarter in sectors like manufacturing, energy, and aerospace, demonstrating that its end to end enterprise AI platform is beginning to convert interest into tangible deployments, which is really good. Number three, cash burn and cost focus. The company remains in investment mode, okay? Continuing to burn cash as it develops its market. However, management is tightly controlling expenses and noted a strong cash balance to fund operations for several years. They are prioritizing higher margin subscription deals and leveraging partner led implementation to improve cash flow dynamics, indicating an awareness of the need to balance growth with fiscal discipline. And lastly, number four, path towards profitability. Very good path. Executives reiterated their commitment to reaching break even in the long run. By driving more subscription revenue, now over 90% of its total, and using partnerships to lower customer acquisitions cost, C3AI is slowly narrowing its losses. While meaningful profitability is still on the horizon, the strategic shifts in sales focus and product mix this quarter were framed as laying the groundwork for eventual positive cash flow and non-GAAP profit as the business scales. All right, so let's look at the chart. So on the chart, we're seeing it hover literally almost around exactly $15, and that has been a key level we've been looking at. We're looking at three different bull cases here, folks. One of them is not pictured. The first is that things really could pick up for C3AI for all the reasons we've been saying. We do have roughly a $21 resistance level, and if we could see a breakout, that really could be a good sign. We're going to keep going there or just hover there until we see some more positive news breakout, and then we're going to see a lot more momentum from there. We also have a super bull case, which in which, given the market, given the use in the AI space, given what people are saying, and giving if people are seeing more utilization of C3 AI, it could go to and maybe even surpass that $30 resistance as we head into January, February of the new year. Again, super bull case. We're not super sure about it, but certainly could be the reality. Absolutely has potential. A real moonshot case, which we don't see on the graph, could go up to $40, $45 in some really moonshot scenarios. However, we have to mention too, some really conservative bears are looking at an $8 to $10 range. They are haters, they're pessimists, but they also could be realists, and that assessment is going to be up to you. Remember, this is not financial advice, folks. Don't take the risky unless you are willing to do the frisky. But sometimes doing the frisky is worth it. Yeah, and the normal bears would have it kind of following its basic key level right now of about $15, maybe dipping down, $13, $14. Probably going to stay the same until we hear more news. That's what normal bears would say. That's what we think is the bear case here. Yeah, and then that being said, one other thing to note is that from what we've been seeing now, what we've been seeing from most analysts is that over a 12-month period, the stock could be going towards that $24, $25 range. Seems to be the consensus from many analysts, but obviously anything can happen, and that is going to be over a 12-month period anyway, so it depends what kind of investor you are. Anyway, folks, that's all for now. Don't forget to like for the algorithm and subscribe for more content. Hit that beautiful like button, and we will see you in the next video.